If you don't get 100, Yaman, if you don't get 100, फिर तुम देखना हम क्या करेगा तुम्हारा. Hi, hello everyone. This is Aryan Thacker, your coach and mentor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel on Aryan Tutorials. And today, as promised, I have come to meet one of the Nirbhay batch student. His name is Yaman Choudhury. And how much have you got, Yaman, in your board examination?
99%.
99
98.5.
98.5%. So 99. And can you tell me the bifurcation of your marks?
Eco 100.
He's got 100 in economics,
99 in English.
99 in English, and
98 in accounts.
98 in accountancy,
97 in maths.
97 in mathematics, which sums up to 98.5%. Congratulations, Yaman. Which school were you in?
Adamus International School.
Adamus International School, Calcutta. He was a student of Adamus and he's done phenomenally well. So we have come here to congratulate him on his success, on his prosperity. And which course were you a part of, Yaman?
Nirbhay batch.
Nirbhay batch. So he had taken a Nirbhay batch from Aryan Tutorial, and I have been in constant touch with Yaman. Like, apart from the other students as well, there was this one guy who used to eat up my brain regarding any particular concept in economics, and I had to reply him even if it be at late in the night or early morning in the daytime. So he is from Adamus Academy, and he has done phenomenally well, and I would like to congratulate Yaman for his academic excellence. So here we are, greeting Naman with a certificate. Alongside, I had promised in the Nirbhay batch that whosoever gets 100 Yaman will be entitled to a cash prize. उस टाइम पे ये लोग मेरे से पूछ रहा था कि सच्ची में मिलेगा क्या, सच्ची में मिलेगा. I said yeah, सच्ची में मिलेगा. So we are going to give him the cash prize of 7,000 as promised. जो promise किया गया था कि अगर आपको 3 सब्जेक्ट में 100 आते तो आपको 25,000 मिलेगा, इंडिविजुअल में आने पे 7,000 मिलेगा. So Yaman has got 100 on 100 in economics, and therefore the cash prize is for him. So we'll give that to him, and post that I'll let you know that how did he prepare for his examination. ठीक है? Yaman, it was an absolute honor to have you in the Nirbhay batch.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Chalo. So Yaman, tell the audience that how did you prepare for your examination? Like, what was your strategy?
My strategy was simple. I had prepared for English every day. I
Okay.
used to prepare for English every day along
Okay.
with maths and accounts.
Okay.
Along with that, one extra subject.
Okay.
So 1 hour for maths,
Hmm.
1 hour for accounts,
Okay.
half an hour for English,
Okay.
and additionally other subject.
Other subjects. So, how much had you got in your pre-boards examination, and how did your score jump to 98.5%
In pre-board, I got 88%, I guess.
in aggregate? Okay. And what did you do in the last couple of days to like take this huge wave of marks?
I had given a lot of mocks.
Okay.
I had prepared from you, sir.
Okay.
Nirbhay batch. At the
How
end
did
of the
you
days,
how did you come across Aryan tutorial?
I was going through YouTube. I was looking for one good eco teacher.
Okay.
I could not understand the concept of theory of income and employment in school or wheresoever. I'd missed my classes.
Hmm.
So what had happened? I was just going through the YouTube, and there's one famous YouTube teacher. I would not take his name,
Okay.
but I didn't find him to be worth the
Okay.
fame.
Okay.
So I was just scrolling through,
Hmm.
and all of a sudden, just by mistake, I don't know how,
You randomly clicked.
on your video,
Okay.
and I was just about to close it.
Okay.
It was my mistake, I thought, but that one mistake turned out to be a golden opportunity for me. I'd never imagined.
Okay.
I forwarded and I saw your videos.
Hmm.
The way you had broken each and every concept,
Okay.
it was phenomenal.
That's really sweet of you to say. Thank you so much. So accidentally you just bumped into Aryan tutorial ka YouTube channel, and why did you decide to join Nirbhay batch? Weren't you doubtful or skeptical, like this is a new teacher, should you believe? पैसा तो नहीं डूब जाएगा, scam तो नहीं निकल जाएगा, Aryan sir?
I had seen you work hard, sir,
Okay,
and hard work pays off.
yeah.
You were a teacher who used to work more hard than students.
You have personally seen that, Yaman. Texting over WhatsApp. See, this is what I'm doing right now. Correct, correct. So, how strongly would you recommend Aryan tutorial to your juniors?
I've already recommended to them.
Okay.
They are saying
Okay.
that they will purchase your course.
Okay. So I hope you had a great journey with us. And any message for your juniors that you would like to give?
Work hard. मेहनत करने से सब होता है. मैंने किया है, हुआ है. आप भी करोगे, होगा.
मेहनत करने से सब होता है, आप भी करेंगे तो होगा. अच्छा, लास्ट मिनट स्टडीज में कुछ होता है, लाइक वुड यू रेकमेंड के इस बार का पेपर वेपर दे के मैथ्स का पेपर दे के इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर दे के डू यू सजेस्ट दैट ज्यादा नहीं बेटा 20 दिन पहले भी पढ़ लेगा तो भी हो जाएगा, एज सम ऑफ द some of the people and some of the teachers say that last moment में भी हो जाता है. Do you recommend that to any of your juniors?
No.
No.
Hard work pays off. Consistency is the key to success.
Consistency is the key to success. So you will have to start from the beginning. I think they should start, if not from the month of April, at least by June and July, they should get a little serious with their studies. And post that from the month of December, I think they should be giving examination and mock test and all of that, so they can ace their board examination. Is your suggestion to them? So lovely. Yaman, did you expect a 99 in English?
It's a dream come true, sir. 99 in English means a lot.
99 in English means a lot. It's a dream come true. Although he had dreamt of getting 100 on 100 in economics, and I still remember Yaman was asking me, constantly asking me about that one particular question कि मैंने इसका ये लिखा, इसका ये होगा कि नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा. And finally he just got through it and a perfect score, 100 on 100 in economics. So lovely, congratulations on that. It was great meeting you, Yaman. I hope that the story of yours inspires a lot of students and they will be working hard towards the pinnacle of excellence. So with this, we'll take your leave and thank you so much for your time. I hope I am extremely proud of you. Your parents are extremely proud of you. I hope you're satisfied with your results. And what are your future goals, please? Last mein jate jate.
I would like to pursue eco honors.
Economics honors. Are you sure about it?
Yeah.
And what's your dream college, beta?
SRCC.
SRCC जाना है. So CUET का तैयारी शुरू हो गया है? हो गया है. चलो. So hope to see you soon in SRCC. All the best for your future. Thank you
sir.
so much. Take care. So I'll take your leave, guys. Thank you so much for your time on my channel. Have a great time. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.